So it's now fall, and my pool maintenance person is gonna be coming end of this month to close down my pool for winter. And so I am trying to do a few swimming vlogs before my pool is closed down for winter. So I was looking for something to swim today, and I pulled out these coconut tops that were custom made for me. I think it was in Kenya or Senegal. And you know, they have these African beads, and I'm styling it with this. I think this is Fashionista bikini bottom, and it has the colors of the African bead. It reminds me of Africa. So this is for swimming. I was actually gonna showcase it bare feet, but the concrete is hot, so I decided to showcase it with thigh-high boots. Of course, I'm not gonna swim with the boots. I'm gonna take off the boots and swim with it. I mean, I like this bikini top. I wish they could have made the bottom for me, maybe with coconut here and then with stretch material, I don't know. But I do like this top, and it actually does provide support, and I love the tie at the back. So this is the look. It's so hot, so I have to cover my eyes, otherwise I'll be squinting. So yeah, this is the look, and I decided to wear it with these you know, boots, stocking boots. And I'm gonna take out the stocking boots and then showcase it real quick bare feet, and you all comment down below and let me know which one you prefer, whether you prefer it being showcased without the stocking boots or whether. So this will look good for swimming. I think it will hold the babies. It provides enough support. I think the babies will do well. Of course, this is my regular African style swimming suit from Fashionista. So yeah, this is my swimming look today. Comment down below and let me know what you think. The pool feels a little bit cold, so I gotta sort of will myself to jump into the pool. But let me showcase the outfit for you all before I go ahead and jump into my pool. So music, hit it. casing of this bikini, I gotta jump in. It's so hot. I gotta jump in and swim. So comment down below and let me know what you think of the outfit, the look. And you know, comment down below and let me know whether you prefer without the ties, whether you prefer the way I showcase the bare feet. And yeah, so that's it. It's burning hot, you know, for fall. But let me go ahead and jump into the pool because the pool is calling my name. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. I hope you all are keeping safe. I hope you all are finding a happy place. And if you enjoy this vlog, smash the like button and share with your friends. And do follow me on my social media on Instagram at fashionista.professor and on Twitter at chistiskuto as Fashionista Professor and on TikTok at Professor C. So till next time I upload another vlog, thank you so much for watching. You all continue to find your inner kid and you all continue to find your happy place. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que bless ya.